Welcome to VLOGCEMBER. I got up a little bit ago and I am going to start getting lunch ready. I'm gonna take it to the kitchen, to my mom's kitchen. That's where I'm gonna do the cooking. And then later on, I'm gonna do something about this hair. I got something to try and for my hair, and I'm very excited to use it. So first, let's go into the kitchen, do some lunch, and I'll meet you guys in the bathroom. Bathroom. I'm gonna do something about this hair. So I got a set of brush and something to straighten your hair for frizzy hair from complexculture to try. I'm really excited. I never tried this brand. I don't do a lot of things to my hair. I don't blow dry or nothing like that. I only blow dry when I go get my roots done. My hairdresser, she blow dries my hair, but that's maybe 4 times a year that I go, so I don't do much blow drying to my hair. So I'm really excited to try this. I do get sometimes frizzy hair up here, and I washed my hair yesterday, so that's when it's even frizzier, when it's been 3 or 4 days, because I wash my hair once a week. When it's like the 3rd day, then the frizz kind of goes away. So let's see how this works. You're supposed to do it with completely dry hair, and like I said, I washed my hair yesterday, so my hair is completely dry. And I read the instructions online. It says you're supposed to plug it, and then with this button you turn it on, and then you regulate what heat you want. So that's why I'm doing it here in the bathroom, because it's easier access to an outlet. It does come as well with a pack of styling clips, and they say you should use a primer or whatever you would normally use to your hair, apply it on your hair like you normally do when you blow dry your hair. I don't blow dry my hair, but I do have a propolis infused polishing primer from Gizu that I do want to try as well use with this tool. Now, to see if there's difference, I'm gonna start with one side of the hair, and then I'll do the other side of the hair to see if there's any major differences. I'm gonna plug it in. I don't know how long it takes to heat up. I'm kind of scared of things that heat up like this, but let's see. It says high temp, so caution. All right, so I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, it starts at 360. I'm gonna leave it at 360 because that's the temperature that it says here. And I'm gonna put it down for a second so I could brush my hair. And I'm gonna lower down the camera just a little bit. I think this is a better angle because to show my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna brush it first. I've used this brush already. I used it yesterday and I liked it. The bristle's a little bit harder than the one that I normally use, but that's okay. My hair, if you see me before, you know I wash my hair once a week. I don't do much to it. It is easy hair to work with. There isn't really much maintenance. I don't do much maintenance to it. It's easy to maintain. So I don't know, I thought it was cool and interesting to try a new tool and see if it does any major differences to my hair. So it is put in half already. I'm gonna do one side first. I think it's hot already because I feel it. Yeah, it's already warm. But I'm gonna get these clips and separate my hair a little. I've never used something like this, so bear with me, please. I guess what do? I get half of it here. Would it hold my hair? Oh yeah. I used to do a lot of things with my hair with like a little clips, and I will put them here. Not this big, of course, smaller ones and cuter ones, but I haven't done it in a while. Should start doing that again. I'm gonna just get a piece here. I'm gonna start at the back. Get some primer. How much are you supposed to use? A piece size amount. Rub it into the palms of your hands and warm by rubbing hands together. It works with warm or damp or dry hair. So, oh, it smells so good. Gotta protect that hair. So I'm gonna start with a little bit here in the back. And it's not like a flat iron, it's just a brush. I think I'm gonna start with this one because I'm kind of scared of it and I don't want to like get close to the neck and burn myself, because this happened before. Not my neck, but I burned like my finger. This right here. I'm gonna brush it again. This is not from here. Okay, so I think I could tolerate more heat, but I'm not gonna right now. I guess like that. Oh yeah, it is really warm actually. My hair, it's warm. It leaves my hair really warm. Let's pick up a little bit more. I wonder if the sides are hot. No, the sides aren't hot. So I guess it's like inside, like really inside, and the sides are not completely, the sides are not hot. So I guess that's good. I mean, like a little bit warm, but not like hot. Oh, I see. It does really smooth my hair so far. I want to get closer to the roots, but I gotta be careful because of my ear and my neck. I am a little bit clumsy when it comes to these things, but I know it's because I need practice. So this is like blow drying your hair. It's really hot, but not really blow drying your hair. One more. So I ran out of battery and I had to go replace it. So far I'm liking it. It does leave my hair really smooth, and it doesn't smell burnt or nothing like that. Cool. Let me do the other half now. Really happy. Let's brush it a little bit. Now I don't know how it's gonna work close to the roots. Let's see what I come up with. I wonder if you're supposed to, if you're allowed to like get close to the hair, to the scalp, like you're brushing your hair. The idea is to help with your frizziness up here. So I'm going slow, and I kept it at 360. You could go higher, but I'm not gonna go higher than that. It has 5 temperatures: 280, 320, 360, 400, and 450. It's like an oven. But I think 360 is good enough for me. Now I can't say if how it will work with curly hair. If you're trying to straighten up curly hair, I'm not sure. You normally could go, I could only go off my own expertise, my own experience. So you brush your hair as you straighten it. This is really, really cool. So let me do it a few more times. Okay, so let's see side by side how it looks. Yes, here it's more slick and a little bit shinier too, I guess because of the heat and the primer. And then here, you know, my hair is still pretty and soft, but definitely there is a difference. Now I still see some frizziness up here, so let me go slowly. I don't want to burn myself. We have a lot of humidity here in South Florida. Today's not particularly like high humid. There's not a lot of high humidity today, but in general we have high humidity during the year. Yes, look how pretty. It does like bring down a little bit the frizz. I like it. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and then see how it looks all together. Final thoughts. I really like it. I really like it. Again, my hair is not super frizzy, it's not super curly, so I really cannot say how it works with those type of hairs. But for my hair that is pretty, it's very straight, and sometimes it does frizz up around here. There's a little bit of hairs here, but it has come down considerably, and it does look like really slick, really soft. I like it. It doesn't smell burnt, and I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready because we're gonna have to take the kids back home, and it's gonna be a long drive. It's a boring ride because it's crossing from the South Florida East Coast to the South Florida West Coast. I mean, it's boring. There's nothing there, just Everglades and lots of swamp. But if I see anything interesting, I will bring you with me. I don't know if this is gonna be the end or I'm going to add more to today's vlog if I see anything interesting. In case this is the end, I want to thank you guys for coming over, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.